Science is a schematic method of exploring the natural world through observation, experimentation, and evidence-based reasoning. It encompasses various branches including physics, sciences, physics, chemistry, earth science, life science, biology, botany, zoology. Formal science, mathematics, logic. Science helps us understand natural phenomena, develop new technologies, solve real-world problems, improve our quality of life, from the smallest subatomic particles to the vastness of space. Underlying principles governing our universe. What aspects science emphasizes are the most? Science is never-ending journey. Discover and all application impact our daily lives in countless ways. Something exciting areas of science including space exploration, understanding the universe, searching of life beyond Earth, and exploring the cosmos, medical routes, developing the new treatments, vaccines, and therapies to improve human health. Climate change, studying the Earth's climates, understanding the impacts of human activity and finding solutions that mitigate its effects. Artificial intelligence, creating intelligence machine that can learn, reason, and interact with humans. Genetics and genomics, unlocking the secrets of DNA, understanding genetic disease, and developing personalized medicine. Science is all around us, shaping world and inspiring future. Generation of scientists, innovators, and explorers.